Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Constant Contact for email marketing, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Constant Contact website. Locate the sign up button on the home page and click it. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address and choose a password. Confirm your password to ensure it matches. Once completed, click on the Get Started button. Next, provide your business information as prompted. This usually includes your name, company name, and phone number. After entering your details, click Continue to proceed. You'll be taken to a page where you need to select a plan. Review the available pricing plans and choose one that fits your needs. Confirm your selection by clicking the corresponding button. Now, input your payment information securely. After you've filled in your billing details, review everything before you submit. Once done, click on Complete My Purchase. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is set up. Open your email and find the confirmation message from Constant Contact. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Return to the Constant Contact login page. Enter your email and password to access your new account. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the prompts to set up your account preferences. Begin by choosing your email marketing goals. You can select options like increasing sales or engaging with customers. Next, you'll be guided to create your first email list. Import your contacts either by uploading a file or connecting to another platform. Ensure your contacts are organized to streamline your marketing efforts. After that, click on Create Campaign to start designing your first email. Choose a template that aligns with your branding style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.